Hello everyone. We already started the new lesson, that is a growing plants. In that lesson we already discussed about the reproduction in plant is happened through the two ways. One is the reproduction through the seeds and reproduction through the body parts of the plant. So we discuss about the structure of the flower also, in that function of many parts of the flower, and then fertilization, pollination, cross pollination, self pollination. So in today's period we are going to learn the most important part of the lesson, that is the structure of seed. I know that कि आप सबने seed देखा है, सबको seed कैसा होता है पता है, but we don't know about the structure of a seed. So in today's period we will learn about and we will see the different parts of the seed and the definition and then function of all that parts. So here first you just see the type the parts which are present inside the seed. Seed के कितने parts होते हैं? So the seed is having three parts mainly. One is a seed coat. First part is a seed coat. Second part is a embryo, and third one is a stored food, and it is also known as the cotyledons. First is a seed coat. Next one is a embryo, and third one is a stored food and the cotyledons. So these all are the parts of a seed. सीड के ये थ्री पार्ट्स है, सीड कोट, एम्ब्रो, cotyledons, and the cotyledon is also known as the stored food. So here in the next slide I am going to show you the structure of seed. So the structure of seed, so here clearly you can see structure of seed. So ये जो है seed का structure है, in that structure first is the seed coat. Here embryo is none other, it is a baby plant, it is a newborn plant or the baby plant, and food store is here, storage of food is present over here, and that is none other, it is known as the cotyledons. So the outer layer is a seed coat, the inside this part is known as the embryo is none other, it is a baby plant, and at last stored food is also known as the cotyledons. So one by one we will see the function of seed coat, embryo, and the stored food. So the first we will see the function of seed coat. Seed coat working क्या है, seed coat कहाँ पे present होता है. So here you just see clearly seed coat, it is the outer layer of the seed is known as the seed coat. Seed coat is present at the outer layer of the seed, so that's why we can say that seed coat protects the whole seed and the embryo, newborn plant, from the outer side, and the all the जितने भी outer side से जितने भी सीड के ऊपर अटैक करने वाले हैं, फ्रॉम द मॉइस्चर, फ्रॉम द रेन एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स. सो सीड कोट का जो फंक्शन होता है वो जो इनसाइड बेबी प्लांट होता है उस बेबी प्लांट को प्रोटेक्ट करे, और इनसाइड सीड के इनसाइड जितना भी पार्ट होता है उस पार्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करे. सो इन केस ऑफ द बीन्स द सीड कोट इज हैविंग थीन कवर. ये जो होती है द थीन स्किन, outer thin skin is known as the seed coat. In case of the beans the skin is very thin, but in case of the coconut the seed coat is thick and it is very hard. In case of the coconut the seed coat is thick and very hard, but in case of the beans the seed coat is very thin. And the function of seed coat is to protect the seed and the embryo from outer side environment, to protect the seed and embryo from the outer side environment, and it covers the outside of the seed, and seed coat covers the outside of the seed, and the seed coat protects the seed, that I already explained. So this is the function of the seed coat. Now next part we are going to see, that is the cotyledons. Okay, here is the next part, that is the cotyledons. Cotyledon is none other, it is a stored food. The cotyledon is the first leaf that germinates. Cotyledon is first leaf that germinates. जब भी हम किसी भी सीड को सॉइल में बोते हैं तो उसके बाद उसका क्या होता है, उसके लीव्स आते हैं, एंड दैट फर्स्ट लीफ इज नन अनदर, इट इज अ कॉटिलेंडन. जो भी फर्स्ट लीफ आता है, सो दैट फर्स्ट लीफ इज नन अनदर, इट इज अ कॉटिलेंडन. सो आप सबको पता है कि प्लांट्स में फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस होती है, एंड ड्यू टू द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस प्लांट जो है वो अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं. Plants can make their own food by using the photosynthesis process, बट अगर उनके लीव ही प्रेजेंट नहीं होंगे, लीव ही मतलब अभी अभी उसे लीव्स आ रहे हैं, तो प्लांट में खाना कैसे मिलेगा? जैसे कि हमारे घर में कुछ न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज होते हैं, तो न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज खुद का खाना खुद नहीं बना सकते। सेम वे जैसे न्यू बॉर्न प्लांट होते हैं, न्यू बॉर्न प्लांट खुद का खाना खुद नहीं बना सकते हैं, सो दे रिक्वायर फूड, बट फ्रॉम वेयर दे आर गेटिंग द फूड? उस न्यू बॉर्न प्लांट को भी, वो न्यू बॉर्न लीव को भी फूड की ज़रूरत होती है, एंड द कॉटिलेंडन्स आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड द फूड। कॉटिलेंडन मीन्स द स्टोर फूड। सीड के अंदर एक स्टोर फूड होता है, और स्टोर फूड से वो क्या करते हैं, बिफोर द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस दे आर गिविंग फूड टू द लीव्स एंड द सीड। देन cotyledons is depend upon the which type of seed it is. It is a monocot or the dicot. So with detail we will discuss about the monocot and dicot after the next function. And the next is a embryo. So here you can see the embryo. It is none another, it is a young baby, young plant or the newborn plant. Plant में जो भी सबसे पहले leaves आते हैं, young leaves होते हैं या तो young plant होता है, that is known as the embryo, and it already has the beginnings of the root, stem and the leaves. And जो embryo होते हैं उसकी beginning कहाँ से होती है? root, stems और the leaves. So this is a embryo, and embryo is none another, it is a newborn plant or the young plant. And the seed coat protects the embryo. And next we are going to discuss about the monocot and the dicot. monocot and dicot डायग्राम से ही आपको समझ में आएगा। जो भी पिक्चर यहाँ पे दिखाया है, मोनो मीन्स 1 and di means 2. मोनो मीन्स 1 and di means 2, means the seed, the plant who is having only one seed, that plant is known as the monocot, and the plant who is having 2 seeds, they are known as the dicot. The plant who is having only one seed, they are known as the monocot, and the plant who is having 2 seeds, they are known as the dicot. And cordyland, it is also depend upon the which type of seed we are using. Okay, store food जो होता है, suppose monocot है तो उसमें 1 ही cordyland present होता है, suppose 2 dicot है तो उसमें 2 cordyland present होते हैं. It means that in monocot 1 store food is present, and in dicot 2 store food is present. So this is the structure of the monocot and the dicot. And in next slide I am going to show you the plants where the monocot is present and the plants where the dicot is present. So in this diagram clearly you see in this slide. So here first examples of the monocots. If slide is not clear, so I am going to explain the things. In case of the onion, corn, rice, sugarcane. Onion, rice, corn, sugarcane, these plants are the example of monocot. Rice, corn, sugarcane, onion, these all are the examples of the monocot. Now let's discuss about the dicot. In case of the dicot, the cabbage, apples, tomatoes, these are the examples of the dicot. So here all the things are present in front of you. So once again I am going to show you all the slides, and once again I am going to explain all the things. So in today's period we already discussed about the types of the the structure of seed. The seed consists of 3 parts. One is the seed coat, then embryo, and the store food, that is known as the cotyledons. And we already discussed the structure. So the outer layer is the seed coat, then new plant is known as the embryo, and the store food is known as the cotyledon. So the function of seed coat, it is the outer layer which is present outside of the seed. It protects the seed from the outside environment. Then it protects the embryo also. It is a thin in case of the beans, and it is a thick in case of the coconut. Next is the cordyland. Cordyland is none other, it is a store food. Before the photosynthesis process, due to the cordyland only we can provide the food to the seed. And last is the embryo. Embryo is none another, it is a newborn plant, and it can be generated from after the germination. It beginning from the roots, stems or the leaves. And the last point, it was the monocot and the dicot. The single seed is known as the monocot, and the 2 seeds is known as the dicot. And we are having some examples of the monocot and dicot. For the monocots, onion, corn, rice, sugarcane, and the dicots, that is tomato, cabbage and the apples. So students, these all things are related with the structure of seeds. I hope आप सबके doubt जो है वो clear है. If you are having any doubt related with today's topic, so you just send me message. And student, please send your assignment without fail. You have to send your assignment, and this video will be available on your app also, and I'm going to send the link also, so you can watch your link. Otherwise open your app and you can watch the video very properly. So if you are having any doubt, please ask me and send your assignment. So for today, thank you very much.